Assalamu alaikum and welcome to the English series by Q. Today we will discuss a very important topic. And when we extract water from ground, it's feel cold in summer and hot in winter. How is it possible? We will discuss detail in this videos and which laws are going to make this happen. First of all, we will consider and we will know about how heat transfer occurs. Heat transfer is basically the movement of energy from one body to another body and the transfer of heat from one state to another state. For example, from solid state to liquid state, from liquid state to gaseous state. The same law is applied in reversible process also. It basically transfer heat through three different types. The first one is conduction, the second one is radiation, and second one is convection, and third one is radiation. Now we will discuss a little bit about these three processes, how they are going to happen in case of heat transfer. The first process is conduction. Conduction is basically transfer of heat molecule from one body to another body. When two bodies are directly in contact with each other, when the heat transfer occurs through them can be considered as conduction process. For example, in this case scenario, the heat transfer from this rod to this hand will be considered as conduction. The second one is convection state. In convection state, it basically happen in liquid and gases. The transfer of heat from flowing liquid or flowing gas to solid state or any state is considered as convection. For example, when we boil the water, this transfer heat to the pot and the low temperature water molecules trying to move up while the high temperature water molecules trying to move up and low temperature water molecules trying to move down. And this, when the water molecules move up and down, the heat transfer can occur, which will be considered as convection. Or you can take simple example, when the water is flowing through a canal or flowing through a pipe, if this pipe is directly contacted with the fire, then the heat transfer from this pipe outer surface of the pipe to the flowing water can take place through convection. The third case is radiation. In radiation case, the transfer of heat from space to medium. For example, there is a sun which radiates heat transfer waves and it passes through the earth. The transfer of heat from the sun to earth can take place through radiation process. Now we will move back to our main process topic, that how we feel water cold in summer while hot in winter. The first thing we need to consider this is the average underground water temperature is 18 degrees centigrade. So first we will consider the case summer case. In summer case scenario, the outer temperature is 36 degrees centigrade, maybe in 35 or 30 above in case of summer. And when we extract water from the ground to the outer atmosphere, it will feel cold because the outer environment temperature is 36 degrees centigrade, which is higher, while the underground temperature is 18 degrees centigrade, which is lower, and lower temperature feels water feels cold. In second case of how we feel water hot in winter, in this case scenarios, in winter the outer atmosphere drops to 0 degrees centigrade, sometimes 5 degrees centigrade, or in mean or average it is 10 degrees centigrade. When we extract water from the ground to outer environment, it feels hot because the inner temperature in the inside underground water is 18 degrees centigrade, while the outer atmosphere temperature is 0 to 5 degrees centigrade. Meanwhile, the inner temperature is higher than outer temperature and we feel water cold. So hope this video you will learn a lot. Subscribe Q. It will give the question of all your answers. Share this video to all social media platforms. Thank you.